In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Teachers Mutual Bank app customer support using phone, chat, and email options. We all know how critical it is to have access to reliable customer support when it comes to banking, and Teachers Mutual Bank offers several methods to get in touch, whether you have questions, need help with app functionalities, or are facing any issues. Let's dive right in to see how you can easily contact them. First, open your web browser and navigate to Teachers Mutual Bank's website. Once the homepage has loaded, look out for the contact link in the navigation menu. Clicking this will take you to the main contact page, where a wealth of information is at your fingertips. On this contact page, you will initially notice a section dedicated to popular banking tips. Here, Teachers Mutual Bank has conveniently grouped some of the most commonly sought after solutions to save you time. If you're looking to reset your password, simply click on the link labeled Reset Your Password. This link will guide you through the necessary steps to successfully reset it. If updating your contact details is what you're after, there's a straightforward option for that too. Click on Update Your Contact Details and follow the easy instructions provided to ensure your information is correct and up to date. Similarly, should you need to change your daily transfer limit, a handy link is available to help you adjust it according to your needs. For more direct communication, the bank offers multiple channels. If you prefer the immediacy of a phone call, you can choose the contact phone option. This selection will provide you with all the necessary phone numbers, ensuring you reach the correct department without any hassle. If a written message is more your style, the message link allows you to send your queries directly online, where a customer support representative will assist you as soon as possible. Prefer email? The contact page includes an email option as well. This is perfect for those who need to send more comprehensive and detailed inquiries. Simply follow the instructions to ensure your email reaches the team, who are committed to getting back to you promptly. Finally, if you're looking to visit in person or find a physical location, the location section provides a list of all branches. This is especially useful if your concern requires face-to-face interaction, or if you want to handle certain banking matters in person. So, whether you're resetting a password, updating personal information, or need in-person support, Teachers Mutual Bank makes it easy to contact them through various convenient and customer-friendly means. Thank you for watching, and hopefully, this guide makes managing your banking needs a breeze. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.